We are in the 2023 edition of our Parents Virtual Summit. I want to welcome you all, ladies and gentlemen, parents, and esteemed guests, to the Parents Virtual Summit 2023. I'm very honored, much honored today as we embark on a journey that holds, the key to shaping. I can see Gloria from Anambra State. So yeah, um, I'm honored. I'm honored today, as we embark on this journey that holds the key to shaping our children's future. Today, we gather here not only as individuals invested in the growth and well-being of our children, but we're also here as pioneers in a world driven by technology and entrepreneurship. The theme for this year's event is, I would say, very intentional, because future-proofing your child while tech and entrepreneurship education is essential for their success. It resonates deeply with the challenges and opportunities our children will face in an ever-evolving landscape of the 21st century. To make better sense of our team today, I want to ask a very simple question. And while I ask this question, you can put your answer in the chat section for me. What is the future? When we say future-proofing your child, what do we mean? What is the future? What is the future? I'd like to see some answers in the chat session. What do you think? What is the future? I'm going to give a very simple definition to this because of our time, while I expect your answers, and I'm going to call it out. The future simply means, just put in simple terms, is a set of all the moments that are yet to come. But what makes this future distinctive and important isn't just that it has not happened yet, but rather that it will be a time when the world looks different from today. Now, and of course, if it looks different from today, you're going to ask yourself, can anyone then predict the future exactly? No one can predict the future exactly. But there are two things very importantly that we know: that this future is going to be different, and it must be rooted in today's world. One, it is going to be different. Two, it's going to be rooted in today's world, which means that what happens today is what bets the future that we call for. We live in a time of unparalleled technological advancements, where innovation and disruption have become the norm. The pace of change is relentless, and the demands of the future are calling for a new breed of individuals, equipped with skills, mindset, and resilience to thrive. The word entrepreneurship, when we talk about entrepreneurship before, you could only associate this with very elderly people and people that have probably spent like 20, 50, 40 years in the business. But today it makes sense for a young person to say, I'm an entrepreneur, because of what technology has done. It came in and it has democratized success, what success means. And you also have to understand why technology is the norm. Why is it the norm? Of course, a very simple definition to technology is to say that it's everything that we do to help make our life easier and to make our work faster. And if you understand and have that basic understanding, you will know that man, like the soft life, we are soft people. We don't like stress. We don't like anything that is going to put us into, unnecessary tension. So man is always looking for ways to make life easy for themselves and to make work faster for themselves. It explains the advent of AI and everything that we have today. And if you have that simple understanding, it should already tell you that the world we have today will keep advancing, because man is in constant search of how to make life easy for himself. As parents, we hold the profound responsibility to prepare our children for this future, a future where technology will permeate every aspect of their lives, where entrepreneurship will provide endless possibilities for growth and impact. It is imperative that we empower our children with the tools and the knowledge to navigate this digital age, to adapt and seize opportunities, and to become architects of their own success. The future, like my very famous and respectable mentor will tell you, is not prepared for anybody. It's not the one that you come up to. The future is the one that you create, which is the reason why I said there are two things we know, that the future is going to be different and it's going to be rooted in today's world. What we do today is what determines the future. Throughout this summit, we will be joined by remarkable individuals who have not only embraced the power of technology and entrepreneurship, but have thrived in its embrace. Of course, we have Joshua Ogbonnia, who his awe-inspiring journey reminds us all that age is not a barrier to greatness, and our children's potential knows no bounds. And of course, we have a very esteemed guest, Uchenna Nodim, whose entrepreneurial ventures has redefined success and reshaped industries. His insights will guide us through the possibilities that lie ahead and show us how entrepreneurship can be a catalyst for change and a source of fulfillment for our children. Today, we embark on this journey of discovery, I call it, knowledge sharing and empowerment. Together, let us unlock the limitless potential with our children, providing them with the tools and the opportunities they need to thrive in an ever-changing world by nurturing their curiosity, fostering their creativity, and instilling in them the entrepreneurial spirit. We can ensure their future success and contribute to a brighter and a more prosperous tomorrow for them. We all share one thing together. We want a better future for our children. Yeah, of course, you're going to be afraid of several different things. Those several different things you're going to be afraid of, those are kind of things that we're going to be addressing in this call today. And we're going to be having two fireside chats, one with Joshua Ogbonnia, and the second is going to be with Uchenna Nodim, and it's going to be an amazing time. So whilst we go through this session, I want you to ask yourself this question. Mirror the life of these people and the success and the journey that they've gone through, and ask yourself, where does my child come into this? Am I just going to send them to school and follow through the traditional form? In fact, when we talk about the future, there are two kinds of progress that we can make as far as the future is concerned. We know that there's a future where everybody is trying to do what everybody has done. The future where we are trying to do the normal traditional things, send them to school, do all those things the way we've been doing them. And then there's a future that is made possible by technology, a future where anything is possible, a future where a boy of 13-year-old can be a champion, and a future where a young man of 28 years old, 30 years old can be already successful in their journey to success. So as we get on this session today, I indulge you to put in all your attention and to give your very best. And of course, please take down notes and take down questions so that when we call on you to ask those questions, you can ask those questions. So on that note, let this summit begin.